Open windows, ocean breeze,
dancing through the coconut trees.
Morning sunshine fills the room,
chasing every trace of gloom. Coffee steaming by the shore, simple moments meaning more. Little blessings fill the day,
while the clouds just drift away.
golden laughter fills the air, finding beauty everywhere. Feel the calm within your soul, let the peaceful feeling grow. Every heartbeat moving slow, following the undertow.
Take this moment, hold it near.
Everything we need is here. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Let forever now begin. Endless summer, stay with me, like a never-ending sea. Every smile and every view, paint the world in brighter hues. Endless summer, shining bright, guiding us through every night. Every dream we dare to see flows into our memory.
Endless summer,
Never let this feeling fade. Stay forever.
drifting with the ocean waves.
Endless summer.
You make life beautiful.
Endless summer.
This is where I wanna stay.
Lazy afternoons go by, watching clouds across the sky. Every sunset softly shows how beautiful this life can grow. Children laughing down the beach, lessons time could never teach. Golden evenings slowly fall, love is hidden in it all.
Tiny moments softly shine,
Turn into precious time.
moonlight dancing on the tide.
You are always by my side,
Take it slow and breathe it in.
where new stories can begin.
Hold this feeling while it's near.
Everything we need is here.
When tomorrow calls,